So the anime characters, basically.
Except for, like, no, he plays a little bit. Oh my god, he plays all the buff guys. He plays all the buff humans. So no Bowser, no Donkey Kong. But he does play Little Mac, he plays Captain Falcon, he plays Ike, he plays a tiny bit of Roy, he plays Ryu. He plays Ganondorf. The only one who's, like, borderline buff that JPH doesn't play is, like, Shulk. But he's pretty skinny. He's not really buff. And then, like, male Wii Fit Trainer, I guess. He doesn't play male Wii Fit Trainer.
Yeah.
Or female Wii Fit Trainer, for that matter. But this is going to be a really exciting match. That one guy versus Orpheus. Orpheus, kind of like a hidden gem in the Marquette Smash scene.
Yeah.
Sawyer and I ran into him at, like, a Magic tournament and started talking Smash with him. I thought he was a total scrub when I was talking Smash with him. And then he showed up to the tournament and, like, he made it to winners finals, and I was doing a thing that day where I was playing a secondary all throughout winners.
Yeah.
He trashed my Rob, like, not even close. And he gave my Ness a run for my money. It was like a 6-1 in Grands, but my Ness is pretty dominant in this scene, so that's an impressive showing to take even a game off. And I know Sawyer does not have as much practice against Orpheus as a player like as I do, is what I'm trying to... But on the flip side, Orpheus does not have practice against that one guy. Or likely he doesn't have practice against a Rosalina that plays like that one guy, since that one guy is a pretty technically heavy Rosalina, and Orpheus is a Wi-Fi warrior. He plays on that 4 Glory a lot, and that's how he gets good, and you can't really just pull off the tech skill in 4 Glory. It's too hard with the lag.
Yeah.
So the Rosalinas he have faced have been probably more read heavy than Sawyer is. Sawyer just makes safe decisions in the neutral and plays technically well. So it's going to be hard for both of these players to try and adapt to their opponents to try and get the upper hand. And we can totally see that coming out in the way that the game is developing, as both characters are close to death. Rosalina definitely at a lower percent, but she is a very light character. She's floaty, so she can die off the top easily, and Meta Knight's got that oh-so-deadly up B. And it's just going to take one read from either of them. Oh, okay, that was really smart, and that was probably not something Orpheus was expecting.
Oh!
But, nice
B.
kill there by Orpheus with the dimensional cape. But one of the things that Rosalina can do is after she reaches the apex of her up B, she regains control of Luma. So Rosalina is still in helpless, but Luma is able to be controlled by Sawyer. So that's what we saw there when he was getting back to stage. And I'm guessing that Sawyer was kind of baiting that out, trying to see if his opponent knew that. Approaching with the Nair or the Fair there, Sawyer really wants to close out the stock quick before too much percent is tacked on, or something scary like that ends up killing.
Okay, he does take that
Rage
stock,
is
though.
gone now. That was a big stock to take. Rage is gone, but so is Luma. And we have a really potentially tight match coming up here. If Sawyer can just get a string going, that's going to be a solid 20-ish%, I believe, there on the down throw to up B, tried and true combo. Ooh, misses the second hit there. That was big. Okay. Juggling.
But still definitely has a really big lead.
Yes. And that's going to be something Sawyer's going to have to work on a lot to make up for.
Just play really defensive, basically. Oh, okay.
Ooh, I did not like that roll by Sawyer, but it goes pretty much unpunished. Nice lunar landing there, and that's going to be the game.
Yeah.